So, good morning and welcome to your national conference. It's great to be here.
I'm really pleased we're making a thing of apprentices today because I don't think we see that enough. It's something I regularly bang on about in the media, is that we don't celebrate the young people who aren't choosing the traditional academic route.
Governments, cities, regions, individuals, but also particularly businesses to come together and go for the net zero target. And the reality is we owe that actually not just to ourselves, but also to future generations.
This day is a perfect opportunity for people from similar backgrounds just gathering together and really learn from each other, share their stories and just get inspired.
I think the highlight for me today was the apprentice panel, and that's because the quality of these apprentices and the way they talked and articulated their vision and sort of passion for the industry is just really impressive.
So the NDI workshops, both of them are really useful, and they both really stressed how important the Defence and Security Accelerator is in getting into the defence market. It's going to be a real opportunity for commercial companies.
The people who've come to talk to us have talked about the success of today, the fact that the wide subject agendas, the ability to talk about different things and identify what's important to you and do the takeaways that come with that. And then to walk around the room and see the different exhibits and be able to really engage in what Make can do for you as a business has been critical. So I've taken loads from today. It's been really enjoyable.